Hey everybody, Raven here, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button and tap that notification bell, bing, so you don't miss any of the really cool upcoming live stream events we have, as well as new content. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk about a subject that I've seen kicked around the internet here a little bit, here and there. Everybody has their idea of where they think silver is going to land at the end of the year. And what I've seen is, a couple people think that it could possibly reach $100 an ounce by year end. I'm here to say that is simply not going to happen. And so let's start off and talk about a couple things. One, I am not a financial advisor. When I talk about silver and what I think the future of silver will be, that is based on my experience as a stacker and coin collector, and I'm here just sharing to you what I think what is going to happen. The beauty of speculation, and a lot of people actually make careers out of being speculators, is quite frankly you're not held accountable for making your predictions usually, unless you are a financial advisor who's telling people, hey, spend all your money, and you're forcing people, which you can't really be forced to buy things, but I'm trying to give you kind of an example of what I mean about commodities and whatnot. It's really easy to come out and say, hey, I think silver's going to be $100 an ounce because we've had a silver squeeze and this and this and that. Well, let me give you an idea about the two silver squeezes we've had, and possibly an upcoming third. You just never know when it's going to be. The silver never broke the $30 mark. It went to $29.77, and that's it. As of today, we're at $24.65. On silver. I've vocalized it more than a few times during the silver squeeze that I felt that silver would not go above 30, and if it did, that it would touch 30, plateau down, and probably settle around 23, 24, possibly even $25. And I've actually been pretty accurate. And that's strictly because of the way that I've had to, run my channel and still be a stacker through the changing landscape of buying silver. Right now, the only thing that really keeps silver up at a higher price is the premiums that they have going on. To get physical silver, you are going to spend a little over $30 an ounce. However, silver's only trading at, again, like I said, $24.65, and that has to do with a lot of the over-the-top premiums. And the popularity of silver is driving it to where the premiums are staying up there because people are having a little bit harder time in some areas getting physical silver in their hands. However, that does not justify or equal $100 an ounce silver. Now, if something major were to happen, some kind of huge breakthrough where silver has a over-the-top industry demand, and there just has to be something that's more spectacular to make silver have such a drastic move. Because like I said, since August of 2020 till now, we've had two different silver squeezes. It hasn't gone above 30. And right now, we're sitting at July 27th. I don't see silver moving that big in 5 months' time. And one of the big things, guys, if you guys want to know how to track silver and whatnot, of course, you can go to any one of the many bullion dealers, and they have silver charts. You can look over time and look at the history of way silver moves. Silver tends to slowly, gradually grow and then settle at prices, grow and settle at prices. And honestly, in my opinion, I think by the year end, we are still going to be probably low 20s, maybe at most mid 20s. But silver's been going down. I think it's still going to keep going down. You never know if we'll get back to those historical times where it's $14, $15 an ounce. The good old days of silver. Not even 2 years ago, silver was $10 an ounce less. But that shows you, with all those big pushes and all that popularity, that it's only grown that $10 spot. Now, $10 in 2 years for silver is still pretty big. But if it's taken 2 years to go $10, you're not going to go $74, $76 or whatever, $75 in a 5 month period of time. Just not going to happen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video and you like this kind of content. Like always, please make sure... Oh, wait. To correspond, it's ravenhawkcoins@gmail.com. Our P.O. Box is 721-296, Norman, Oklahoma, 73070. Like always, please make sure to take care of one another. We'll see you soon. Ravenhawk Coins, have a great day.